Hi everyone. The math department has signed each of our students up for an IXL account. We've done IXL activities before where your teachers give you a link and you click on that link and it takes you to an IXL activity. You were only able to do 10 problems and then the IXL account would cut you off and you'd have to take a snip and upload that so that your teacher could see that you had done and how you had done on your activity. Well, you won't need to do that any longer. Now that you have an account, you'll be able to log in, you'll be able to do as many problems as you want, and your teachers will be able to get reports about how you've done right from IXL. So for the first time, I want to walk you through how to log in. So you're going to open up one of your browsers, whether that's Internet Explorer or Chrome or Mozilla, whatever you like to use. And then in the URL window, just type www.ixl.com and hit the return button. And it'll take you to this sign-in page. On the sign-in page, you're going to type your first name, followed by your last name, no caps, no spaces, and then the number 117. Now there are just a couple of exceptions to this 117 number. There are a couple of you that for some reason IXL assigned you the number 238. And I've already contacted you so you knew that was coming. So for most of us it's our first name, last name, and then the number 117. And then the password is IXL. And then you'll hit sign in. Once you hit sign in, you're going to be taken to a page that looks like this. Now, you can work on anything you want on IXL, but your teachers will assign you certain skills to work on. And you'll see those right here. You'll see the suggested skills by your teacher right here. You'll see they have a star by them. And if you just click on that, and then it'll give you one of the assignments. And you'll be taken to this assignment page. Now you can see I've already started this assignment and I did one problem and I got it right and I have a SMART score of 10. So I'll go ahead and do another problem here and show you how this works. So this says graph 1 on the number line. So the number 1 on this number line would be right here, and then I hit my submit button and it says I got it right, and now you can see that my SMART score went up a little bit. So your job is to get at least an 80 here on your SMART score. You want to do as many problems and get as many of them right so that you've gotten an 80 here. That would be the minimum. That would be the low end of what you want to accomplish here. So an 80 or above. If you have any problems with logging in or finding the assignments, please let me know. And again, you won't need to have to take snips of your ending scores anymore. We'll be able to get a report right from here. And again, you'll want to keep doing as many problems as you need to so that you get a SMART score of at least 80 here. Let me show you what happens if I do something wrong. So this asks me to graph 1 and negative 1. So let's say I graphed 1 correctly, but I put negative 1 right here. And then I hit submit. And that's incorrect. It says, sorry, incorrect. And then it gives me an explanation. So if you are confused about how to do some of these problems, you can look down here and read through the explanation. It tells you just exactly how to do the problems and what you did wrong or what you would need to do it correctly. And then you can put got it here and it'll give you another problem to do. So again, when you have an IXL assignment, do the assignment until you get a score of 80 or above. All right, let me know if you have any trouble getting signed in.